Hey everybody, Nick DeSeelhorst here with eXp Realty. Today we've got an amazing listing for you all, 3534 East Dover Hill Drive. It's a wonderful renovated mid-century modern house brought to you by Megan Rojas over at Equity Real Estate. Really appreciate you letting us walk through this amazing home. So let's get started. Welcome to 3534 Dover Hill Drive. So right away, you're going to notice this amazing entryway with this indoor-outdoor landscaping. So you've got this beautiful, I think it's a blue cypress pine tree. So that's just outside your outdoor upper deck. The garage is just to your left. And then you walk in and you've got an amazing mid-century modern home. Take a look at this space, guys. You've got this really cool mid-century sunken living room right next to your other enjoyable living room, so you can sit down, relax, enjoy the fire, be cozy on the couches or your two little sofas right next to them. It's a really great community space. Enjoy the super high vaulted ceilings. The renovation done on this house is pretty amazing because as it was previously is pretty bad shape. So what they've been able to do with this space is really incredible. I do really appreciate them tying in a lot of those mid-century modern 70s aesthetics, but you can definitely update it to whatever your modern preferences are. You know, maybe it's not the green couch over here or some of the rugs or the touches like that. So make it your own, but you've got this really cool sunken living room, which I think is a really great conversation piece and actually really usable and practical. Maybe you do your morning meditations and your stretches there. Maybe you just enjoy it when guests come over and you start up the fireplace. Whatever you enjoy most. So right off of that living room space, you've got the primary bed. Now this is a queen size bedroom, but you could certainly fit a king size bed with end tables. They do have overhead can lighting that I'll turn on for you so you can get a feel for it. But they do have these really cool pendant accent lighting so you can enjoy your book as you read late at night. You've got the amazing natural light with this window here, and then we'll walk over into your shared bathroom space, which has a really cool walk-in shower and sizable closet. I'm certainly a sucker for the details, and so having a big mirror like this, the fine finishes, the really nice hardware, the really beautiful accent lighting is something that's a really great touch that they paid attention to when doing the renovations. And then you'll notice right around the corner here, you've got this really cool stand-up rain head shower. Sit down on the bench, sheave your legs there, whatever works best for you. You've got the handheld in case you need a little more, direct contact and the rain head doesn't do it for you. I know my parents really go back and forth on whether the rain head shower is what they like or don't, but you have that handheld to really get everything done for you in this immaculate shower. Welcome to the kitchen, guys. This is where everyone hangs out. Every community revolves around the kitchen. Originally, it was the fireplace. Nowadays, it's the kitchen. So you've got this really beautiful marble or quartz waterfall island with practical dishwasher, big size sink so you can do your dishes by hand. You've got a gas fired range. You've got room for a modern full size refrigerator, and then as well as the stairs that go up into that upper hangout balcony area, as well as the rooftop patio. right to my right here, you've got the second primary. That would be your main guest room or the main second bedroom to whomever is living with you. And then right behind me, you've got that main dining seating area that walks right out to your backyard. Backyard definitely needs some work. They definitely spent their time and their money here on the interior of the home. I don't blame them. It's gorgeous, but it does need some work out in the back. So whoever does buy this house for that really great price of $750,000, $780,000, whatever you come out to when you buy it, you've got a few shekels left over to do the backyard, hopefully. So let's go walk through that secondary bath and bed, and then I'll take you upstairs and we'll show you around the rest of the house. All right, so here we are in that secondary bedroom, that second primary suite. It doesn't have a shower or a bath, but it does have an ensuite bathroom, which is really nice for guests or family members who, you need to brush your teeth in the morning, you need to maybe freshen up before dinner. If you need to actually take a shower or use the bath, you can do that one of the other bathrooms that are provided in this house. But really sizable bedroom, really comfortable. Again, really cool walkout for the backyard, which is cool. So maybe this is your primary and the other one's your secondary. Whatever you like most is really up to you. It's your priority, it's your agenda, but you've got an amazing space to either make your own or make it accessible to your guests. All right, y'all, so this is really the cherry on top. This upstairs hangout area is really beautiful, really comfortable, really unique. You can talk down to your guests who are still enjoying dinner, still enjoying beverages, still enjoying conversation down at the bar. You can talk down to people down at that lower in-ground lounge area, your second living room, your upstairs living room. You've got plenty of space to spread people out throughout your home, which is really amazing. You don't see a lot of that in Cottonwood Heights and Sugar House area. So really cool use of space and really well done, really beautiful carpets, really beautiful finishings, really great lighting throughout. You've got the sunlights for, daytime sun, natural lighting, which is really great, but having some artificial light done well to help accentuate those times when it is darker is a really nice to have. So this is a beautiful upstairs hangout lounge area. You do have another closet. You've got some extra storage space. Again, just a really great place to either do yoga or relax and hang out with family and friends. And let's take you out onto the outdoor balcony and show you around. All right, so this is the outdoor patio. Amazing, beautiful space, beautiful use of the area. Enjoy your community, family, friends out here on a summer day like this, early August. It is exquisite. It's a beautiful place. You can enjoy the views. You've got some really great mountain views behind me that you can enjoy all season long, winter, spring, summer, fall, whatever it is. It is the beginning of August now, and I would certainly be out here on some outdoor patio furniture with my family and my friends, reading a book, maybe finishing dinner out here, having a cocktail, having a mocktail, having some water, whatever floats your boat, but enjoying this beautiful space. Again, Megan, really appreciate you letting me walk through this amazing home. This is 3534 East Dover Hill Drive in Cottonwood Heights. It is 1,846 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 2 full bathroom. And great location. Can get to Little Cottonwood Canyon within 25 minutes. You can get up Big Cottonwood Canyon super quick within, again, 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes to the very top. And again, furnish this outdoor patio. You've got an amazing space for you and your community. If you did like this property tour, let me know. Again, thank Megan for letting me walk through this home. And like it, subscribe, comment down below what you thought. If you do appreciate this content, I do love you all, and I really appreciate you coming along with me to tour these amazing homes, especially really cool, unique character homes like this. The mid-century modern style is something that I would really love to recreate in the future of one of my new houses. So again, I love and appreciate you all. Peace, and I'll see you on the next one.